I'm excited to tell you that I reached 1,000 subscribers yesterday. Again, thanks to you all subscribed to my channel, and this is really an excellent encouragement for me to keep on making videos. Hopefully YouTube will promote my channel and allow my videos to reach more audience. Let's take a look at my latest boat. There are new ideas being introduced in building this boat. Firstly, the way I fold the boat is very different, and this will make the build much easier and also eliminate some of the complex folding of the boat for transportation and make it more reliable. Structurally, it's stronger also, mainly because the U-shaped beam being pushed all the way from the front to the middle part of the boat, and this helps to strengthen the gunnel. This U-shaped structure also crosses over the folded joint, and this should eliminate the buckling issue, especially if you're using a 4mm thick Coroplast to build your boat. The floor also extended beyond the fold lines, and it also has an integrated longitudinal structure. Hopefully this will eliminate the buckling in the front and at the back. The middle seat becomes part of the boat structure to prevent the sides from collapsing. I use only two lashings, one at the bow and one at the stern. I use two U-shaped beams together with the seat. The assembly is simpler and hopefully will be faster too. The folded size of the boat is 2 feet high, 4.5 feet long, and about 12 inches thick. I have also tested the new fusion method in building this boat, and I will compare the old method with the new method and tell you the plus and minus of this particular technique. I will show you more details in the coming weeks. But the river is still very cold, so it will be another month or so before I can water test it. Again, thanks for your support and subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't done so, please do, so you will be notified when I upload my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.